Southern fried chicken. Southern fried chicken originated in the southern United States during the 18th and 19th centuries. Historians generally trace its development to a combination of Scottish frying traditions and seasoning techniques brought by enslaved Africans. No single inventor is recorded in historical documents. The dish is typically prepared by coating chicken pieces in seasoned flour before frying them in oil. Common seasonings include black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and salt. The resulting crust forms through moisture loss and browning reactions during frying. Southern fried chicken became widespread throughout the United States during the 20th century and remains one of the most recognizable fried chicken styles worldwide. Korean fried chicken. Korean fried chicken became popular in South Korea after the Korean War, when cooking oils became more widely available. The exact creator is unknown, although numerous small restaurants contributed to its development during the second half of the 20th century. The chicken is often coated with a thin batter and fried twice. Double frying reduces moisture in the crust, producing a crisp exterior. Common variations include sauces made from gochujang, soy sauce, garlic, honey, or chili peppers. The rise of chicken and beer dining culture, known as chimek, helped establish Korean fried chicken as a major part of modern South Korean food culture. Taiwanese popcorn chicken. Taiwanese popcorn chicken emerged from Taiwan's night market culture during the late 20th century. The exact inventor is uncertain, though vendors in Taipei are generally credited with popularizing the style. The dish uses small chunks of chicken coated with sweet potato starch before frying. Typical seasonings include white pepper, salt, chili powder, and 5-spice powder. Fried basil leaves are commonly added immediately after cooking. Its small size, portability, and distinctive seasoning profile made it a common street food item throughout Taiwan. Nashville hot chicken. Nashville hot chicken originated in Nashville, Tennessee, United States. Local tradition credits its creation to the family of Thornton Prince during the 1930s, although parts of the story are based on oral history rather than formal documentation. The chicken is first fried in a southern style and then coated with a spicy mixture that commonly contains cayenne pepper, paprika, and hot oil. The heat level can vary significantly between restaurants. Over time, the dish expanded beyond Tennessee and became a widely recognized regional American specialty. Chicken 65. Chicken 65 originated in Chennai, India. It is widely associated with the restaurant Hotel Buhari, which claims to have introduced the dish in 1965. Several alternative explanations exist for the name, but no single theory has been universally verified. The preparation usually involves marinating chicken with chili powder, ginger, garlic, yogurt, and spices before deep frying. Curry leaves and green chilies are often added afterward. The dish is known for its bright red appearance, although the exact ingredients and coloring methods vary among restaurants. Ayam goreng. Ayam goreng originated in Indonesia and is prepared throughout the country in numerous regional forms. Because it evolved across many communities over time, no individual creator is known. The chicken is commonly marinated or simmered in a mixture containing turmeric, coriander, garlic, shallots, galangal, and other spices before frying. Unlike heavily battered fried chicken styles, many versions rely on seasoning absorbed into the meat itself. Regional differences can significantly affect flavor, texture, and appearance. Country fried chicken. Country fried chicken, developed in the southern United States, and shares techniques with chicken fried steak. No single inventor has been identified. The chicken is usually pounded or prepared as boneless cutlets, coated in seasoned flour, and fried until a crust forms. It is frequently served with peppered white gravy. The preparation method emphasizes the breading process and serving style rather than a unique seasoning blend, distinguishing it from other southern fried chicken varieties. Jerk fried chicken. Jerk fried chicken, developed in Jamaica from the island's long-standing jerk seasoning tradition. Jerk cooking itself is associated with the descendants of the Maroons and earlier indigenous influences, though no specific inventor is recorded. The chicken is marinated with ingredients such as allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers, thyme, garlic, and scallions before frying. While traditional jerk chicken is commonly grilled or smoked, fried versions apply the same seasoning profile through deep frying. The result reflects the adaptation of established Jamaican spice blends to fried chicken preparation. Broasted chicken. Broasted chicken originated in the United States. It was developed by Lam Phelan, who patented the cooking process in the 1950s through the company Broster Company. The method uses a specialized pressure fryer rather than a conventional open fryer. Chicken pieces are coated, placed in the machine, and cooked under controlled pressure. The process affects cooking time, moisture retention, and crust formation. Because the term broasted is associated with a specific trademarked cooking system, not all pressure-fried chicken qualifies as broasted chicken. Chicken nanban. Chicken nanban originated in Miyazaki Prefecture, Japan, during the 20th century. The dish is generally credited to cooks working in restaurants in the city of Nobeoka, although accounts differ regarding the exact creator. The preparation begins with chicken that is battered and fried before being coated in a sweet and sour vinegar-based sauce known as nanban sauce. It is commonly served with tartar sauce, which became associated with the dish as it evolved. The name nanban historically referred to foreign influences arriving in Japan through European traders, reflecting the dish's connection to imported cooking concepts adapted into Japanese cuisine. Backhandel. Backhandel originated in Austria and became particularly associated with Vienna during the period of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. No single inventor is documented in historical records. Traditional backhandel uses pieces of chicken coated with flour, beaten egg, and breadcrumbs before frying. The breadcrumb coating distinguishes it from many flour-based fried chicken styles. Historically, the dish was especially popular among middle and upper-class households during the 18th and 19th centuries. Modern versions may be served with lemon, parsley, or potato-based side dishes, though the core preparation method remains largely unchanged. Carrage. Carrage originated in Japan and developed from cooking methods influenced by Chinese cuisine. Historical records indicate that forms of carrage were being prepared in Japan by the early 20th century, though no single inventor is documented. Unlike flour-coated fried chicken styles, carrage is usually made by marinating bite-sized chicken pieces in soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and sometimes sake before coating them lightly in potato starch or flour. The pieces are then deep-fried until crisp. The starch coating produces a different texture from heavier batters and has become a defining characteristic of the dish.